DEWALT Industrial Tools, a member of the Stanley Black Decker group, is the industry leader in professional power tools. At the Perugia plant, we manufacture products from two of the largest brand families, the company's largest demolition hammers and electric wood cutting tools. The internal processes adopted at the plant are the sum total of a series of activities that is not limited merely to the final assembly stage, but embraces the manufacture of strategic components for the tools. When we decided to forge ahead towards an Industry 4.0 assembly line that set the standard for the entire group, we found that MiR was a perfect match in pursuit of such a target. The turning point was undoubtedly opting for a product that provided an out-of-the-box solution to intralogistics problems, from assembly line to assembly cell. The simplicity of using a cell approach, the ability to integrate it into all innovative systems, and the ease with which people could use it provided a simple, practical solution to seemingly highly complex problems.
We needed to transport a special 180-kilogram kit on a pallet that had all the parts needed to assemble a specific demolition hammer. But there was no room to install a dedicated transport structure or some other system that would impede the movement of our operators. MiR can be seen as the meeting point of these apparently divergent requirements. Handling, which tends to be a muda, was cut down to the bare bones and then assigned to a pair of AMRs. This made it possible to have the staff in that cell focus solely on activities that add product value. The worker responsible for preparing the pallet kits confirms task completion in a specific HMI. There is a built-in vision system to verify the pallets have everything necessary with all the parts correctly oriented and then to call AMR1. When this robot receives the command, it handles moving the pallet using a one-piece flow process from the preparation station to the entry point of the robotized cell. One of the major benefits introduced with MiR200 was the option to add intermediate stops on the return journey of the empty pallet to allow workers to add parts to the pallet in the most ergonomic point. In a very real sense, this turned the AMR into a proper workbench, which is a slightly unusual application, but fundamental when striving to maintain flexibility.
MiR200 was initially viewed with a touch of skepticism by the line workers, but this is typical for all technological innovations. But once they realized how simple it was to use, with a truly user-friendly interface and a highly stable, safe system, it became a part of the way they work, and today they couldn't manage without it. Since our return on investment was as scheduled, we are already thinking about expanding with two different value flows, but this time with more traditional product use. The first would be handling the pallets of finished products, moving them from the production lines to shipping. The second would be supplying the lines with materials from the warehouse using a MiR AMR fleet.